Yo, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to DerekBaranProductions for another video. And based on the title and thumbnail of today's video, you can see we are going to be talking about a car that I have known about for a while, and it's my buddy Tyler's, you know, Scat Daddy. And today I think it's finally the day. Like, after all the convincing, after all like the pre-planning and stuff, I think he's finally pulling the trigger, and he's going to redo Mach Uno. So it's where we're currently going right now. I am walking over there. He is my neighbor. It's pretty cool. We have Teddy that lives here. I live here, obviously. Tyler, Evan, Paul, Raymond almost lives here. He's here all the time. So it's really cool. Our community, like our apartment complex, is crazy. Like we're stacked. We're stacked. So yeah, I'm heading over there right now. And I think they got the car cleaned up and stuff for the most part. So I'm pretty excited. And I know Tyler's very excited, but he's been talking nonstop about his, I think it's a 2003, 2004 Mach 1. And, you know, needs some work, but it does run and it has great potential. So let's go see what these bozos are up to, and let's get this video on its way. So they're actually on the other side of this. I'm gonna try to fuck with them. I'm hiding behind this rock. They're looking for me.
I see you, fucking. I see your hairy ass legs. Wow. He was like, that's probably construction. I was like, oh,
What's up?
Who do we got? What's goody?
Who do we got? What's goody? No, I thought you guys saw me because I walked like right up to the trash. I was like, oh shit.
If we
but
were
then
in Ukraine right now, you would have murked our shit.
sheesh.
Look at it, boy.
So I mean, what's going on with it, Ted? I know you washed it and stuff. What do you have planned? I thought this thing was a goner, dude.
I guess let's start from the beginning. It's
It
only
looks
been
so
on the
much
channel
better.
one time.
One time, yeah. So give us everything, bro. They want to hear absolutely everything. Run it.
I've been talking to these guys. I love the Charger, but I'm like, man, I miss manual. I miss Mustangs. Do I sell the Scatty, get a 5.0? Do I sell the Scatty, pay a little bit more, and get a Hellcat just to stay different? Do I sell the Scatty, maybe find a 350 for around the, you know, the 50K range? I'm like, or do I keep the Scat?
Revive Mach
I got a
Uno.
Mustang.
Yeah. Not just a Mustang.
Not just a Mustang.
Got a Mach 1 new edge, man. It's
One of the
very
rarest you can
respectable. Yeah, very respectable new edge car. This isn't your, you know, 2-valve, and not throwing shade or anything, but this does indeed have a 4-valve motor in it. Not quite the same as the Terminator Cobras. I want to say the blocks are different or whatever, but regardless, it's a 4-valve motor. It does run, it does drive. It is a 5-speed manual. All the gears work.
Everything's
It just needs
running,
some,
perfect running
love,
condition.
Man. Needs some love. And
She needs some TLC.
you know what gets me stoked about this? Well, I guess all of us can speak on this. We'll all be rolling out in black Mustangs.
Yeah.
That'll be, I started it. Yeah, so today we just wanted to go over and take a look at Mach Uno. That's the original name. And, you know, we're going to start it up, probably drive it around the complex. It's not registered or anything right now. That's coming soon. But I just wanted to go ahead and share with you guys because you're probably stoked. And many of you probably didn't know that. You know, he has the Charger, but you also have this. And give us the history on it, though. Like, how long ago did you get this?
Car for since I was 18. I got it in 2012. So, I mean, shit. That's putting it, what's that, what? 10 to 12 years, give or take, that I've had it.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
And you still have it. Why didn't you sell it? Like, just, you know, it did sit for a while. Why not sell it?
I mean, when you sold a Bluetooth out, it kind of
You
like...
said you got it in 08?
Huh?
You said you got it in 08?
No.
Teddy's over here with the calculator doing
Yeah,
that.
I was like, what?
He's like on the earpiece. Guys, can we confirm that? I mean, I'm really stoked on this just because, you know, I've done everything and anything to a new edge, and the parts, they're so cheap. They're so cheap.
So cheap.
And you know, the one thing you're gonna notice, probably on video already, it does need a paint job. And now, is that in the works?
It needs a paint job. It's in the works. Figuring stuff out.
Okay.
Might be something coming sooner than that. We'll see.
So would you stay black?
Stay black.
Stay black?
Keep it true.
Okay.
All right, let's go over this thing.
Damn, all right, right to the point.
Right
Run
to
it.
the point. This?
Mach 1 lip. Yeah, we need a new one of those.
Gone.
I've seen. And talk about some sun damage. That's probably the worst I've
This?
ever seen. Yep, that one
Grill
too.
delete? Gone.
Mach grill delete. Needs some new headlights.
Some damage on the headlights. We'll get those.
We got those taken care of. Shaker system.
Shaker system.
That needs to be
She's
repainted.
seen better days.
Yep.
We need some new wipers. Piddly diddly. Coming to this side. Cowl vent's gotta go.
Infamous cowl.
We're looking like Bluetooth valve back in the day.
Yeah, that's right. Because actually, I didn't tell you the story, so I was trying to take a thumbnail, and my dumbass for some reason put my knee right here, and it snapped, gone. But those are so notorious for breaking. They're super cheap. They actually sell full carbon ones. They sell carbon ones with the wiper deletes, which I've actually thought about getting, but get a new one of those on order, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
On order. That'll be here sometime. These are a little faded.
That's some
Have
fresh
to do
paint.
something with this right here.
Okay.
Obviously, all our ghost mock stripes are gonna have to come off with the fresh paint job.
You are gonna put new ones on though, right?
New ones are gonna come
All
on
right, good,
eventually.
good.
I'm not too worried about that.
Yep.
This right here, good God Almighty.
Yeah, this is some of the major body work the car needs, which isn't even crazy because believe it or not, that's just surface rust. But again, it needs a whole paint job. It needs everything done, and that's why you're not gonna just leave it the way it is because it does need to be addressed. So
This is the most annoying thing for me, believe it or not.
with that little marker. Yeah, got her good.
How? I don't know.
You're probably doing some hillbilly shit on the country and hit a stick.
We got some type of MagnaFlow catback. I can't remember what exactly it was, but
She gone?
she gone.
What are you putting on there?
I'm not gonna say right now. We'll
Not
worry
gonna
about
say?
that later.
V6 exhaust?
Yeah.
Third brake light?
Third brake light.
Okay, new third brake light. What about these wheels? You gonna rock Mach wheels or what?
Well, we'll see.
Oh, you already got a plan?
Maybe. What are we gonna do?
Dang, okay.
Goodies.
All right.
Surprises.
I mean, as far as exterior though, I want to say that's pretty much it, right?
I mean,
It's a solid car. I mean, there's no dents, there's no, nothing crazy, no crazy rust or anything. Obviously, it really shouldn't be because it's not that old of a car, but it's a
this is gonna have
great
to be
foundation.
addressed because I can't deal with this.
What's that?
The old famous bumper sag. New edge sag right here.
Oh, that's nothing. That's actually good compared to some cars.
I can't. All right, come here, YouTube. This has got to go.
The seat, dude, I can't tell you how, like, there's no getting around it. Just the age alone.
Hey, I'm open to donations.
Yeah, anybody have a driver Mach 1 seat? This one's not terrible. Passengers never are, but I mean, at least you don't have to worry about like gray or tan.
Carpet's pretty good.
Console.
We got one hole right here for my mom in her heels. God bless America.
Oh, you don't need that. You'll put floor mats in anyway.
Yeah.
I mean, you got
Back seat, we got to get a rear seat delete. You can't ride in the back of this thing anyway, so there's no point in putting back seats in there.
black rear seat delete will look good though. But I mean, as far as interior though, like, I mean, this is the normal that happens. You have an aftermarket deck.
We got the Kenwood deck. We got Kenwood door speakers.
You have a stock shifter in there?
No.
What is it?
Fuck, I can't remember what it was.
Okay. Anyway, it's aftermarket.
Aftermarket. We got a spec stage 3 clutch in here. That's pretty tight. Let's pop the trunk. We got something good.
Pop the trunk and pop the hood. Oh, you got some subs back here.
Almost. That thing bounced back. I was like, some
I could totally see you out in Goochland doing some hood rat shit with your boys, you country fuckers, and blasting some yeehaw fucker brother, and you're like,
I don't know about all that.
Yeah, okay. Slipknot, definitely. You look like a Slipknot guy.
We got my new battery charger right here.
Yeah, your new battery charger.
Damn.
Don't act. He's acting all surprised. Yeah. Like, damn, there's a rat's nest up here, dude. What?
We got a bald eagle that lives in the trunk. If you didn't know.
Let's take a look at this motor, this engine bay.
The motor.
Hey, it's like it's gone. Someone stole it.
She dirty.
Okay. Definitely something you could work with. I mean, how many miles are on the car? 160? 70,000? Do you have gas, bro? I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. It does not surprise me that Tyler didn't put gas in this. He went and got a battery. Teddy and I have gas jugs and he still hasn't had gas in the car. What are you waiting for? You waiting for Christmas for fucking Santa to fly in on his sleigh with the gas
a little
can?
bit, okay?
No, she needs gas.
She's good. Anywho, yeah, healthy motor. Like I said,
I hear the rod knock.
that's exhaust leak.
Needs to turn it off.
There's no oil? Bro, turn it off.
Bruh,
Hold it.
there's oil in it. And she needs to be topped off.
I hear rod 4. Ding, 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 ding.
Nah, it's an exhaust.
Let me listen to this exhaust real quick. This sounds good, dude. I don't even know if you should switch it.
It's getting switched.
I think it sounds good.
Listen, Mach makeover. It's going to be completely redone.
All right,
It's not gonna be the same
excuse
car.
me. My bad.
Which one of you fucks got the oil?
I have oil that you gave me that you had in this car.
Man, let's do that.
I will sell it to you. How are you gonna give me something and then be like, oh, let me get it back 2 years later? Hey, give her a little rev. Nothing crazy. Just to get an idea. This sounds good, but yeah, I agree. It needs a new exhaust.
Once you take the cats off.
No. We would never do that here. We never do that. All our cars have cats on there. I don't know.
You play in the background. Fucking.
Trying to give us a good time range here.
It's all on you.
No, it really is all on you.
We can do shit quick.
So listen, I just want to go and put this on the record. I told him if I come over here and we film this video, it's game on. It's game on. So like you said you're getting it painted, you must get this thing painted. That's the one step, that's the first step. You get it painted, you're fully committed. Because you're not just gonna get painted and let it sit.
I mean, been through redo blue. It's time for Mach makeover.
Mach makeover?
Mach makeover. Let's get it.
You guys heard it? Let us know. Drop a comment down below. What would you do first of the car? You rocking the paint? Or are you doing like, you know, exhaust and all that? So,
Also,
I say paint.
You guys have any donations or anything to sell to make life easier for me, let me know.
Yeah, pretty much. He's begging for money.
Yeah.
So if you guys have any spare change, just send it to DerekBaranProductions@gmail.com. I'll be sure not to give it to him, and I'll just stack the bread. Thank you guys. Appreciate that.
TP1083@gmail.com. Don't send it to Dickman.
You were so quick with it. I came in front.
But he does make a good point. I know 2-valve and 4-valve parts are all over the web. I know a lot of people are selling stuff, and if there's anything that you think he may need, as far as headlights and tail lights and third brake light, we actually have all that covered already. So, yeah, I don't know. I think the Mach has to have the Mach.
I love the look.
Oh, 01. Okay. 01 Cobra bumper, but that's also, those are $1,200 right now. They're $1,200.
My bumper's fine.
But no, yeah, regardless. If there's anything that you think he could use, and you know, we're gonna put this on a series. Me, Ted, and Tyler, we're gonna work on this thing, get it back. So take a good look. This is a before, and you know, Teddy washed it. It really did clean up pretty well. Like, it's not perfect, but you know, it did sit for, yeah, it sat for a long time.
It did.
You knocked the cobwebs out of it, so it's kind of like, you know, now it just needs.
My poor baby, the scatty came.
Dude, I don't want to hear it. I moved in, you told me you had a Mach, I was like, let's get it, let's do this.
I was married to the Mach, then the side, the scatty came through.
That's usually how it goes.
I had to wife
dude.
it up.
It just goes and ruins your whole life.
This is the side bitch and that's the main bitch.
Now,
Yeah, the scatty, like, you were talking about doing all this stuff to the scatty, now it's Mach 1. I mean, I can't disagree though. I'm excited for this.
I mean, this will beat this gas. I mean,
But I'll give you guys a nice little walk around. Probably already saw a lot. Just take it all in, because this thing is going to be looking sick within 6 months to a year. As soon as he gets the paint, it's like, it's honestly game on, because after the paint, all that other stuff is easy, and we can really transform this car. After paint, you know, I think he has something going on with wheels and tires right now. I'm not sure. But after paint, 100% lowering.